review of the Goldtouch high-speed multifunction grinder. This is a dry good and spice grinder. It's not intended for high oil products like peanuts or things like that. It comes with a fully grounded plug. I'm going to plug this in for you, and we are going to get this going. So I'm going to grind to show you. I'm going to grind some oats to make some oat flour. And you'll see when I put this on, it has a locking mechanism on the side here, so I can push it down, and then I can lock these in place. Okay, so I have power. I turn on my timer. And let's take a little look. So I let that run for just a couple seconds so you could see there is a lot of warmth that it generates. And look at my oat flour. So now when I go to make something that's high oat, not only do I have all the fiber that comes in the dry good, but I also have this absolutely, let me unplug it and I can show you how beautiful this is. Look at that. It's absolutely gorgeous.
Look at this. My daughter bought it for me for Christmas, but they sent her a used product. Look, this is the power button. This is inside. I'm just gonna see if it works. Look inside. This is how the top comes. I didn't even notice all this. Look at the rust. Inside the rim. Okay, this is the mill grinder I got, and I got some of these wheat berries already in there. So I'm gonna turn her on, give you an idea. I'll click these closed. So I'll normally let that run, but I've already ran it before I started the video. And look at that. Isn't that great? It works really well and it makes a lot. This is the 500 gram one. And I've already made a bunch of flour and started baking with it.